my eyes. I'm going to be first, so that in case we have any, in case we have any mistakes, I can easily clean it up. We're going to do the eyes first. I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm just going to use this to conceal and prime my eyes. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And this palette has the most amazing light blue color. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to use my Morphe JH32 brush. I'm going to put that in my crease. Like, I'm going to start off packing it on, and it's a little weird with like a fluffy brush like this, but the reason you want to pack it at first is so that you get the most pigment out of your eyeshadow. And once I apply it, once I like pack the color on, then I'm going to go back and blend it out a little bit. And I always get it way too high up on my brow bone, but we will go back through and get that out and clean it up. And then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette, and going in with this palette and using the color called Electric right here. And it's just a really nice like darker blue color. And I'm going in with my Morphe JH33 brush. And I'm going to be blending that a little bit lower in the crease, like focusing it right here in the crease. And then I'm going back with a little bit more of the lighter blue that we started with, and just kind of blending that out a little bit. Because I'm using this Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes set, it comes with this JH30 brush. So I'm going to go over with this with no product on it and just blend everything out with this. It's so soft. I did the same thing on the other eye, and now I'm going to go back in with my concealer. I'm going to open it up and take a little bit from the top of this with my Morphe JH42 brush, and it's just a really nice small brush. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to use the light blue that we started off with. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe JH41 brush, and I'm going to go in with the electric color right here in like the center middle part here. To clean up the brow bone like I was talking about, I'm going to use my little Coastal Scents eyeshadow. This is in the shade Cloud White. I know, super appropriate, right? Using this little Wet n Wild flat top brush. so now it's scary time. It's time for the clouds. I'm going to NYX eyeshadow base in white, and this is just going to give us that nice white cloud look. I'm going to use my Morphe JH42 brush again, the same brush we used for the concealer. I just want a little bit right here. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe JH39 brush, and I'm going to kind of pat that over the clouds, and it's just going to kind of blur out the bottom of it a little bit. And then because this is such a creamy eyeshadow, not a creamy eyeshadow, a creamy base, it's not really gonna like set down. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild brush again and the Coastal Scents Cloud White eyeshadow and just set. Okay, so I did my entire face of makeup and then I filled in my brows. Now I'm going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and this is just a perfect white eyeliner for my waterline. To do my lashes, I'm just going to curl them with my e.l.f. eyelash curler.